Hey, what's up? I'm back with another formula. If you're new here, my name is Tara and I make skincare products. Here on my channel, I share with you guys unique formulas and share information about formulating. And today I am making a strawberry matcha latte body lotion, but I'm gonna market it as like a body milk. The reason why: body milk, body lotions are essentially the same thing, except body milks are more liquidy, and this actually turned out thinner than I expected. I've made this formula before, but I decided to make it strawberry matcha themed instead. Actually, this formula is inspired by the EOS body lotion. It's my favorite lotion, but like I said, I made it strawberry matcha latte themed. Obviously, the ingredients I chose for this formula come from the ingredients in the EOS body lotion, and of course, ingredients to make it matcha latte themed. If you guys want to see a natural version of this lotion, let me know. So I'm going to share with you guys how I made it. Grab your sanitized heat-safe container and go ahead and add in your water-soluble heat-safe ingredients. This includes distilled water, propanediol to hydrate the skin, and then disodium EDTA, which is a chelating agent. If you want to learn more about chelating agents, I got a post all about that over on Patreon. It's also available to YouTube members. Now, you also want to weigh this entire container, including what's inside of it, because we're going to be heating up this water phase and some of the water is going to evaporate. So tear your scale, place this whole thing on the scale, and take note of how much it weighs. I have an entire series that deep dives into making emulsions, also known as lotions. And if you want to learn more about this topic, go watch that series because it's too much to talk about all in one video. I really just want to highlight on the product I'm making in this video, but if you want to learn more about the whole emulsion making procedure, go watch that series. All right, moving on to the oil phase. This includes a emulsifier, some co-emulsifiers. If you want to know the exact blend I'm using, go over to my Patreon. I also added in some green tea butter, petroleum jelly to match the EOS formula, an emollient blend that includes green tea oil, and then also sodium carbomer as an emulsion stabilizer. Again, I picked the ingredients to be similar to the EOS body lotion. All right, now we're going to heat up both of our phases. You want to create a water bath by filling a pan with a little bit of water and then placing your containers in. This sort of creates like a double layer between the heat, so your ingredients don't get that like direct heat to make them too hot. Anyway, what we want to do is melt everything in phase B and get phase A right around the same temperature. Once we reach that point, we can remove phase A, add back in any water that evaporated, and then pour the phase A in the phase B and then mix with your immersion blender. Again, if you want more information about making emulsions, how to customize your own lotions, then watch my Emulsions for Beginners series where I deep dive into more of this information. All right, you want to blend with your immersion blender until everything is nice and mixed, and then you can let it cool. So make sure at this time it is removed from heat and you can come back and mix it periodically with your immersion blender. Once it starts to thicken, don't mix with the immersion blender anymore, but you can hand mix it. And once it reaches to around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, this is when you can add in your cool down ingredients. So these are the ingredients that are heat sensitive. I added in a blend of matcha tea fragrance oil and a strawberry fragrance oil from Wholesale Supplies Plus. I added in a water-soluble green tea extract. It's packed with antioxidants and that adds to that whole matcha latte theme. And then I added in Liquid Dermal Plus as my preservative. You could also use Euxyl PE 9010. And then vitamin E as another antioxidant. And that is it for the cool down phase. So just mix everything together and let it return to room temperature. So like I said at the beginning of this video, this product did end up being thinner than the last time I made it, probably because I changed out the ingredients compared to the last formula. So I shouldn't be surprised there. So you know what? I'm going to market this as a body milk. Also, I kind of feel like the milk goes really well with like the latte theme. And literally milks, body milks, and lotions are the same thing. I actually have an entire video that deep dives into body milks. I'll go ahead and link that below as well. But yeah, as you can see, I divided this up into 3 parts. A red, then one I just kept white, I didn't color, and then the other one was green. I used a water-soluble pigment dye from Wholesale Supplies Plus. I'll link those down below. But what I really want to talk about is how this body lotion is very thin. As you can see, it's like a milky consistency. these colors, it did not work very well. I put in only a little bit of red, and as you could tell, I added like the white and the green on top, and it just kept expanding the red. It's like the red went on the outsides and then all the other colors just went on the inside. So yeah, I don't know. The second one I tried to add even less red, but yeah, as you can see, it's just filling up when I add in the whites. And also I feel like the green could have been much brighter. So my idea for this product in my head sounded much better than what really came out aesthetically. But it might not look the best visually, but it still feels like an amazing lotion. It's so good. There's no soaping at all. It's so lightweight. Like, this is perfect for summer. So I highly recommend trying this formula. You don't need to use green tea butter. You don't need green tea oil. You can switch those out for a different butter, different oil. This is just so lightweight, and I'm obsessed with it. You have to try this formula. Like, this is one of my favorite formulas I've made out of all my formulas. So go check it out. It's over on Patreon. That's why it stays exclusive over there, because I love it so much. But I have ideas for this formula. I just want to keep trying it and like customizing it and changing it up in different ways. So let me know if you want to see something different. Also, these colors, they all just blended together, and now it's just like a dark green color. So when you make these thin lotion formulas, the colors do not stay separated. They eventually blend. But if you make a body butter, I made a strawberry matcha latte body butter, the colors do stay separated. So just keep that in mind. These thinner lotions, just make them one solid color, okay? Or you make them separate colors and just expect them to blend. That's fine too, whatever you want to do. But yes, try this formula over on my Patreon. It's also available to YouTube members on my exclusive website, TaraLeeSkincare.com. Use the password to unlock the blog. Go to my most recent YouTube member only video. That's where you'll find the password to unlock the website. Okay, thanks for watching, Lab Cats. Talk to you later.
Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon, where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there is a ton of videos you can go over and binge watch for only $5 a month. Also, if you don't have access to Patreon in your country, you can sign up as a YouTube member instead. If you sign up for the $10 tier on my Patreon, you get a shout out for your small business. I'll have all these brands linked below. naturesmagicllc.com. From Dusk Soapery on Etsy, LloydCandleCompany.com, HB Royal Retreat Store on Etsy, NaturesFarmGirl.com, Let's Blend LLC, at Stardust Bath and Body, HempyGirl.com, ShopLevi's.com, Owl and Lily over on Etsy, Skin Lounge Co. over on Etsy, BlackPetalBeauty.com, EmbraceBeautyEssentials.com, LegendaryBathAndBody.com, AstariApothecary.com, Reviga Cosmetics here on YouTube, XoreBB.com, PardoNaturals.com, NaturalStateSkin.com, TheNatureInUs.ca, NearCatalier.com. Use the code on the screen for 20% off. EarthAndAmberNaturals.com, SharkCityNaturals.com, DayToRelaxProducts.shop, CrownedGloryLLC.com, LHScentedSoapsAndMore.com, JanaeRose.com, HealthNutBeauty on Etsy, VelvetTemptations.com, JourneyRoseBeauty.com, CHRBrands.com, Homestead Life Goods on Etsy, CanellaBathandBody.com, MadhouseMamaSoaps.com, XPO.com, Mystical Morning on Etsy, allthingsscent.net, snoota.square.site, 7th House and Oak on Etsy, and mycrownandglory.com. Thank you so much for you guys' support. Without you guys over on Patreon, I wouldn't be able to do what I do, so thank you so much.